Hi, I'm Parshuram Arjunkar. I'm working with finance team as a senior team leader. I'm working with ZDPM from last 10 years. My journey with ZDPM is amazing. It's really amazing. I have seen company growing and the employees growing here. When I joined, the company's headcount was 100 plus and now it's 1200 plus. That is called growth. My fond memory with my colleagues is our team outing in the Kokam back in 2019. That was an unforgettable trip. I wish and believe that ZDPM will achieve great milestones in 2021. My message for my colleagues and new joiners will be work hard, work passionately. You are at the right place and you will really achieve the success. I would like to thank Vinay and Rohit sir for their support and guidance. It wouldn't have possible without their support. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Pooja Rani from telemarketing team. Hope you all are doing great and sound at our places. Firstly, I'm very pleased, grateful and honored to achieve this award despite of 2020 being so rough on us. I would really like to thank my parents who have taught me to be independent and believed in me that I can achieve anything. So coming to my journey, in 2016 when I got recruited, it was SailWill and already been 4 years and counting, and the journey has been exciting ever since. Working under various managers and 3 different processes, there was always a new challenge and milestone to achieve. But with my consistent efforts, I have managed to top the chart every year. And in support, it wouldn't have been possible without my manager Venkat Sanamala, aka Venki, and my senior manager Godwin Williams. Venki has been a constant support not only to me but to an entire team. I believe his effort speaks through my success. Journey doesn't end here. There are many more skills to learn and more heights to achieve. It's been a delight to be a part of Zip Davis, and I hope with my constant hard and smart work, I'll achieve new heights and will be ready for the next year. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Bye bye. Take care.
Hello everyone, myself Vishwanath Ami. I've been working with ZDPM for the last 5 years. I would like to thank my managers and colleagues for winning this award. I could not have achieved this without their support and help. My aspiration for ZDPM in 2021, continue to gain experience and to be a top performing employee. To the new joinees, congratulations for being part of our dynamic team. The entire office welcomes you and we look forward to a long and successful journey together. Thank you.
It is an honor and privilege to be chosen as one of the Silver awardee. I would like to thank the ZD Performance Management team and wishing everyone the best of health and safety.
Hi all, my name is Umesh and I'm working with the ZDPM from last 7 years. It has been a wonderful journey. When I joined this company was small. However, with our passion and hard work, we have shown tremendous growth in last few years. Now currently we are having 1,000 plus employees in 2 locations. The best part of Zip Davis performance marketing is how we face the corona pandemic. In the corona situation, we all face the ups and downs. However, despite of all these things, ZDPM adopted a new normal and we are still standing strong and walking tall. I would like to thank Rahul sir, Rohit sir and Shastri sir for all their support. For new joiners, I have only one message, that be ready to learn everything, work smart, work hard, and you will get rewarded. Thank you.
Hi, this is Satnam. I joined ZDPM on 28 November 2019. Now, talking about the overall experience, the experience is very good. The entire management is good. Today, I have received the Best Performer of the Year award, and as a part of ZDPM, it's a very proud moment for me. I would like to share a fond memory with the company. In this pandemic situation, the company helped me a lot. When the lockdown happened, I couldn't reach out to the company to get the system on time. But company understand my requirement, and provided me a system. After that, I successfully started my work from home. I would like to share one thing to the new joiners, that you are at the right place, you are at a great place. Just give your best shot and maybe your next best performance of the year will be from you guys. So all the best new joiners. ZDPM. Thank you, ZDPM.
As a DPM team, this is Shubham Gupta and I'm very much honored to receive the Gold Award second time in a consecutive years. So I would like to thank my manager Mr. Mohammad Ruman and Sarabijit Sonanse for their guidance. So thank you everyone for the lovely award. Have a lovely and cheerful life ahead. Cheers.
Hi everyone, hope all of you are doing fine at your end. Just got the message from the HR team that I'm been selected as the employee of the year, and it happened on a day when I became a father, so it's like a cherry on a cake for me. On this day I would like to thank everyone who made it possible for me to grab this opportunity, and especially Kenneth. I think the credit of this award goes to him for guiding me in the right direction and making me do things which I believed was never possible. And also I would like to thank Yogesh, Budayan and Terry for creating such an amazing working environment wherein you tend to thrive for success, and also being so supportive whenever you reach out to them. Just want to add that when I decided to move in with my career in B2B industry, Sale Build was one of the organization which I looked upon every time, and the fact that I always be motivated to work at my feet here is I was rejected twice before I did join in this organization. So I keep that as a motivating factor while I work here, and tend to deliver every time I'm on call, and be an worthy resource in this organization. So I would like to thank everyone out there. Thank you so much, guys, and looking forward to 2021 as well. Have a good year ahead. Bye bye. Cheers.
Hello ZPM, thank you very much for this annual award. I sincerely thank you Pradeep sir, Praveen Auti, Pawan Wagmare and my team members. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hello everybody, it's been privilege working with ZDPM from last 3 years. ZDPM have offered me new opportunities for learning new things and developing my skill set. Thanks to the management for giving me this wonderful experience. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Prakash. It is huge honor for me to receive this award for being the best performer of the year. I thank my superiors for considering me worthy of the honor. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I would love to thank ZDPM and my mentors for this reward. I know that 2020 is a very tough year for each and everyone. Everyone has a memory about the pandemic, but for me there is one more memory, is the merger of two big organizations into one, that is ZDPM. And it's my honor to work with ZDPM, and I will make sure that I will deliver my 110% every time. And a small message to my friends, my peers, that if you wanted to be successful, then give your 110%, work with full dedication and loyalty, and don't think about anyone else. And I would love to thank my team for always be my strength, and I will try and I will make sure that we'll deliver what is best from our side. And one thing, that if you wanted to be successful, then always work with a can-do attitude. Always be positive. As I say always, that if you be positive, then definitely you can overcome any situation at any time. So thanks a lot team for this reward, and love to be a part of ZDPM. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Payal Bharti. I'm very proud that I'm a part of a ZDPM. It's a great honor to working with the company, and the environment is always good for me. ZDPM gave me the platform where I can feel free to work and utilize my best knowledge with the respected managers and friendly colleagues. And yes, I shall be admired to my manager, Mr. Manish Chalwadi sir, who is a motivating factor for me. and in future I will make sure that I will work with the same dedication to make my organization more proud. Oh, thank you so much.
Hello everyone, myself Pawan Wagmare. I am working with ZDPM since last 4 years. I would like to thank you my colleagues and my managers on getting this award. It was not possible without your support. One thing I like most about ZDPM is its employee engagement activities. Our team was participating in cricket tournaments since last 4 years, and we were always ending up as runners. But last year we finally got succeeded and were able to win the tournament. And that day we enjoyed a lot and we had a great party and we celebrated our win whole night. For everyone who has joined ZDPM recently, please work hard, give 100%, and the management will recognize you for sure. Thank you.
Hello everybody. Hope everybody is doing fine. Well, my name is Nitesh Tiwari and I've been associated with ZDPM for about 2 years now. I can still think and reminisce the time I joined this organization, which was about 2 years ago. This time has just passed like a flash. And the reason being, I have enjoyed every single day of working with ZDPM. Being a trainer in this organization, I can definitely vouch for this, that this organization is extremely people-centric. It really cares and values its employees. You get the kind of support that you really need to grow mentally and professionally with ZDPM. And with a lot of gratitude, I really want to thank ZDPM for helping me become a better person in every walk of my life. And once again, thank you so much for giving me a platform wherein I could utilize my skills and get the best out of me. I hope that every one of you enjoys your stay with ZDPM. Wishing you all the best. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
I am Nishikant Kamble. I am a part of the packaging team. This time I am awarded with the Golden Award. This award is a great honor and it's an amazing feeling to receive it. I really thanks to my team members, my MC and my managers. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Nilesh Kolte. I lead talent operation team. I handle HRMS, payroll and statutory compliances part. I'm happy for receiving Best Performance Award year 2020. I would like to thank you my boss and entire management team for consideration of my name for this award. I would like to dedicate this award to my team and my family because they supported me every time, even in pandemic situation year 2020. Regarding my journey with ZDPM, I joined ZDPM in June 2010 as an executive in finance and admin department. In 2014, I got promoted and moved to HR department as a team leader HR. Again in 2018, I got promoted to assistant manager HR. I've seen company growth from 50 employees to 1200 employees now, which is a really proud moment for me.
Hi everyone, this is Mayuri Pawar. Hope you all are doing well. I am glad to receive Gold Champion Award 2020. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone at ZDPM family, especially my team manager Akshay, my team leader Abhinav and Diganto for their valuable guidance and support in helping me to reach where I am today. Looking back at 2020, yes, it was a tough time. So I'm not forgetting to mention my family, colleagues and friends who also supported me. So thanks to them as well. A big thank you to ZD family. So looking forward for their continued help and support. Cheers. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Mayur Rathod and I want to take a minute of yours to extend my thanks for this award that has been presented to me. Receiving this award is a great honor and I sincerely thanks Deepika Mishra and Abhijit sir for supporting me in my entire career till now. I strongly believe that hard work is a key to success and hence I promise to keep working hard and only get better at what I do. Winning this award would not have been possible without the inspiration which I got from my seniors and from my colleagues. I have learned the strength to challenge myself and to perform better at each stage. Once again, I would like to thank everyone for their love and support. Thank you very much.
I'm Eros Bautista, Junior Team Leader of CSTM Philippines site. I'm honored to have been awarded as a Gold Awardee for this year. This is not possible without the unwavering support of my leaders and the overall contribution of my agents who made this happen. I would like to express my gratitude to Ziff Davis and True BPO with this recognition. I dedicate this award to all of my agents, my mentor, and my family who continuously supporting me to bring out the best part of me to making more assets that contributes to the success of the company. Thank you so much and stay safe.
Hi, this is Malvika from AG. Thank you so much for this award. It's been a real pleasure working with ZDPM, especially 2020 has been really difficult for every one of us, but especially for my family. A lot of my family members have lost their jobs, so we had to find a way to earn. We started a new business here in Hyderabad, and the support that I got from ZDPM due to this work from home model, which helps me, not only do my job well, but also be able to, concentrate on my business, which has been really, really refreshing. And also at the same time, I'm able to deliver numbers where I'm not away from my family for too long. It's been a pleasure, really a big pleasure working this year in 2020. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone. I'm grateful for receiving the Best Performance of the Year award in our team in 2020. I would like to thank the jury who is find me worthy to get this extreme award. I do not want to forget the support provided by my colleagues and my supervisors who are working extremely hard since last 10 months in this pandemic situation to keep everything operational in WFH. Before pandemic, so we can't even imagine about the WFH culture in our industry, but our team made it possible within short period of time, and our management also recognized the same. Since last 7+ years I'm in ZDPM. It's a great journey, and thanks for the award. I want to dedicate this award to my family members and my office staff, support colleagues. So it's a great honor. Thanks everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Hi ZDPM. I would like to thank the management and my managers for this Gold Award. For once again, you have recognized my effort for the last 1 year. Thank you. I dedicate this award to my family and to the rest of the HR team. May we work together for the success of our department and success of ZDPM. I love ZDPM.
Hi ZDPMers, myself Kaustubh Lipare from Salesforce team. I thank to all of my teammates because of whom this award was achievable. I especially thanks to AD and Nilesh who supported me through my journey. Thank you and have a spectacular night ahead.
Hi, my name is Hema Donika. I have been working in Ziff Davis Performance Marketing for more than a year. I'm working as a research analyst where I do research using online platform, build and maintain accurate data or prospect database. Talking about my work here is like a roller coaster, sometimes ups and of course down, but it's a part of our job. But I would like to thanks to my manager and my teammates who supported and guided me through this journey. I'm deeply honored by my superior for this recognition of my work. Last but not the least, I would like to thanks to my family for their support. Thank you.
ZDPM family, hope you all are doing great. Firstly, I would like to say that I felt really awesome when I received this award for Best Performer in HQL Operations. Because last year it was not an easy task, guys. During the pandemic we were not able to get connects as well, but fortunately I went with one formula that was lots of efforts and a little bit of luck is equal to success. So I think that made this award counted for me. I would like to thank all the honorable leaders there, Nilay Mehta sir, Steve Kumar sir and Yogesh Chauhan sir for rewarding me with this award. And also I would like to thank all my superiors, Terence sir, Bodhan sir and Nishad ma'am. Without you guys this was not at all possible. So thank you so much, and I wish you a very great and successful 2021. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Eddie Tamayo from CS Stella, Philippines, and it's a great feeling of getting recognized for my hard work. And I am extremely thankful to the management, Zip Davis and True BPO for acknowledging my name for this award, and I promise to do my best. Thank you and keep safe.
Hi everyone, I am Dinesh from Admin Department. Today I am very happy and very proud to achieve Best Performance Award for the year 2020. I am working in this company from last 5 years, and I made my growth in this company. So my journey is best with ZDPM, and I promise to all of you in future also I will give my best. And I especially thanks to MK and my admin team friends. They support and help me anytime in my work. Thanks a lot. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Dheeraj Kori. I'm working as a team leader quality with ZDPM. My journey with ZDPM has completed its 8 years now. Zip Davis Performance Marketing. This organization gives you opportunities in order to get best out of you every time. ZDPM is a game changer in its domain. That's why I love to work with ZDPM. Here I would also like to thank ZDPM and all the departments of ZDPM for standing rock solid behind their employees in COVID-19 situation. I would also like to thank my team, my manager, my director, my subordinates for their support and guidance in achieving this honor. One message for new joinees as well. Friends, this company ZDPM is an ocean of opportunities. You can grab those opportunities with your hard work, dedication and consistency. All the very best to you. Thank you very much everyone once again for this wonderful honor. Thank you.
Hi everyone, it's a great honor for me to receive this award. This is just not my sole effort. I would like to thank and express my gratitude towards my wonderful team and leadership for always supporting me. I've spent close to 8 years with this prestigious organization, and I've seen the way it has positioned itself. And I'm truly honored to be a part of this growing family and contribute my bit towards its success. My goal and aspirations for 2021 is I want to build a dynamic team which is quick to manage transitions and promote culture of inclusion where everyone get their voice heard and has a sense of belongingness. I love this company because I think I'm supported in any decision that I make. On a closing note, I want to say that never ever give up, even if you're convinced it's all over. Last but not the least, this was just not possible without the moral support and inspiration of my family and loved ones. So thank you so much everyone. Have a good day. Bye.
From DBA team, I have been working in this company last 3 years. I want to take a moment to extend my sincere thanks for the award you have presented me. Receiving this award is a great honor. This award particularly recognizes my work and it gives an amazing feeling of getting award for the effort that I put in. I want to especially thanks to my boss and supporting to my all team members. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. This is Arpan Jain from the telemarketing operations team. I hope everyone is keeping safe and healthy. I would like to thank everyone for the recognition. I'm glad my efforts have been appreciated. For me, it has been a great journey so far with ZDPM and challenging, of course, but I have always had the mentorship of my manager and the support of my team, and that has brought me a long way ahead for sure. As you guys know, ZDPM is a brand name in itself, and I take pride in being associated with this organization. And lastly, to all the new beginners, I would like to wish you all the best for the future endeavors, and be rest assured you are in safe hands. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.
Hello everyone, this is Amrit Pal from AG department, and thank you for this award. I wanted to thank my colleagues who always supported me, and I thrive for the competition every day and every year. And I would like to thank my manager Musamil Khalfi, who always supported me, and I wanted to tell this is my third award in this organization, and I also believe this coming year, which is 2021, will also be my year. And a special thanks to Terence Rosario, who always supported me and helped me to achieve my targets. And cheers to this award, and many more on the way. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Kurishi Abu Said, working as a quality analyst in ZipDevice Performance Marketing since last 4 years, and I'm glad very happy and proud of being a part of ZipDevice Performance Marketing. I'm glad happy to get this award and this opportunity, and especially thanks to my manager, my team leader, my colleagues, and my HR management. Without supporting, I can't get this award. And even they have supported me in any manners, even in a lockdown as well. And especially thanks to my manager Nancy Suryavanshi, and my MC Tawfiq Sheikh and Dheeraj Kohli. Especially thanks to all of them to support me in any manners. Thank you very much.